In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create a landing page with Convertkit. Now, why Convertkit? Because it's a very flexible email marketing tool that you can use for building an email list or for building an automation. Now, with the free platform, as you can see, once I move over here, with the free platform, you can get it for just $15 per month. So I'm showing you how to use the free platform to create something as simple as this, and that you can use to get more leads and more sales online. So let's get into the video now. I'll show you how to get to this point and build your way up to build something like this. Alright, now we're in the main dashboard of Convertkit. So all you just have to do is once you sign up, and I'll be dropping a full review on Convertkit soon. So the sign up process is something that's very easy that you can do without a tutorial, but I'll be dropping a new video on its review. So now all you have to click on is grow, and then click on landing pages and forms. Okay, so now that we're in this page, then all you just have to do is create new. Now you're going to be asked if it's going to be a form or a landing page. Now, okay, as you can see, there are a lot of templates in here that you can use. So now let's look for our templates that we use. Now, the thing about landing pages is that the simpler the landing page, the better, because you don't need something too bulky that will distract your audience from what they are there for. Now that we found the landing page template, so let us just choose the landing page siesta. And alright, now we're in the landing page. To get rid of any elements, all you just have to do is either go on the general styles right here, or you go into the element itself. And so as you can see, it's already looking similar to this. Your landing page will depend on what you're trying to promote. So if you're trying to promote like a health-based ebook, you can just go into free PLR downloads and download that ebook. Now, the ebook being free does not mean that it does not offer value. Of course, it offers value, and it serves as a good way of giving your audience the best content. Now, all you just have to do is just read through it and see if it's actually good enough to be given to people. So that's just my advice to you. So you just have to take your time to read it and see if it's good enough. Now let's just go into this cover image right here. Okay, now the first thing that we're going to be doing is to be changing this image. So what you want to do is just click on the image itself and click on replace. Already gotten the images I'm going to use, but I'll show you how to upload the images into Convertkit. Now just click on choose the file to upload, and you can just go into the ebook and then go to e-covers, and then you can find one of the covers of the ebook, and then you can use it. So let's click on that and upload it. Okay, as you can see now, it's already in here, but the whole color and everything is just mismatched. So we're going to keep editing this until it looks like what we want it to look like. So alright, now the next thing we're going to do is put our name right here, our business name or our own name, anything that you're using for your branding. So you can just put that in there, and let us change that right now. Okay, so let me just make this font a bit darker so it's noticeable. And then now you can add new images, buttons and files into your landing page by just clicking on the plus button that you find around here, around the edge of any element, and you can upload a new image or whatever you want to upload, maybe a video, maybe explaining what you're going to get. So you can do that. Now let's just change this real quick and let us see what we have here. How to use Instagram to grow your business. So let's just make that a little bit better. Now where I got all this from is the e-cover right here, and this was gotten from the ebook itself. So you can just add a little bit of the ebook in your landing page, but I don't want it to be too bulky, so I just only added the first header that I could get. So now let us change the colors a bit and the background image so it looks more like an Instagram marketing. Okay, so and we've changed that. Now you can reduce or increase the transparency or opacity of the image in the background, and you can just take that as low as possible because you don't want it to distract your customers when they land on the page. So next thing I want to do is change this to a purple color, and you can just go down and look for the button. Okay, now let's first change the arrow. Okay, now for this, click on it and it will bring out the background color purple. That's nice. So you can select if you want the font to be bold or not, or increase the pixel size, but let's just leave it like that. And as you can see, the first stage is already complete, and let's go into the second page. So once they click on sign up on free download, it will take them down to the sign up form. So that is what we want to do now. So first we have to change the background of this. So go into general styles. Alright, so now you can see the color right here for the form background, and you can just change this to black. Let's change this to black so that the white colors will be more prominent and easier for anybody to read your content. So now let's just take this out. Okay, so let's edit this and let's see what. Now learn to take your Instagram marketing to the next level. So let's just include that. Okay, so if you're enjoying this content, please do hit the like button, and it really encourages us to make more videos like this. So let's just get back into the video and get done with this. Now let's go into the form. Now with the form you can add more fields, more custom fields. Now you can choose to add tags. So just the name and the email is just all that you require. That's that. And let's move into the final stage and make this also the same color as the one at the top, and then you can just change this from sign up today to free download. So download for free. Okay, now I think we're done with the landing page. So now let us go and preview our landing page before we publish it and see how it looks like. So I don't actually like how this looks like in the landing page, so I'll be taking that off, and for the rest I think I like the rest. Okay, and the background color right here brown, so I'll be changing that to like purple. So let's just go back and change some of those things. So I think I prefer this. Now let's just check it and preview again, see how it looks. So as you can see, it's better than what it was looking like before. Okay, so this is the next thing that they are going to see immediately after they are done with it. So you can choose to redirect to an external page or send them to your email, which is the main reason for this. So now let's just go into this. Now this is the incentives. Now the incentives is what they get after they have completed it. Now this is what they are aiming to get, this ebook. So what we're just going to do is go into your Google Drive or into your PC and just either choose it as a file. So you can go back, you can choose it as a file and upload, or you can get the link from your Google Drive. You can get the link from your Google Drive. So put it to anyone with link. You just copy the link and go back and save that. But I would prefer for them to download. Alright, so for the incentives, now you can choose to edit the email content of what is here. Now this is just a simple email of confirmation. Now let's just change this a little bit. Alright, now so once they click on the confirmation of the email, it confirms both the email and then they get the ebook that you have placed in here. So now for the SEO analytics, this is to rank on Google. I don't think that will actually work. You have to like do that on your own. So if you feel like you want to add a title and a description and everything to be able to rank on Google, you can choose to. I choose not to. Now the advanced is just for returning visitors. So people that are already on your list, do you want them to continue seeing the same form over and over and over again? So if you already subscribed to your email list, you can choose to hide the form or show a custom form for people who have subscribed already. So you can send them to you can just directly send them to the thank you page. Just save it, and now once you saved it, you can publish the landing page. So this is the link for the landing page, and once you copy that link and go on Google and just paste the link. So now that you're done, you can now promote your link on Facebook, on Twitter, and on wherever, on forums, on Quora, and you can drive traffic into your landing page, and in no time you get as many visitors as possible. So this is just an example account I created for this video. So I'm going to be linking Convertkit in the description section below, so that you can also build a landing page like this. So now that we've come to the end of the video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and also the notification bell to be able to get more content like this. So I'll see you in the next video.